What's up, everybody? It's your boy Dallas coming to you again with another YouTube video. This is Philly Cheesesteaks with Dready and announcing the winner of the $50 Amazon gift card. Thank you to everyone who took that survey. Shout out to Dready Crocker for making this amazing feast. If you like this video, give it that thumbs up. Also, comment and subscribe, and I'll be back with more. Getting things started with the flank steak. Chop bell peppers and onions on deck. Saute the vegetable. Coming to you live from the griddle. We've got a special appearance. Flank steak meets sauteed vegetables. The smell at this point is absolutely ridiculous. I've really been contemplating on some of the things that enhance life, that make life better. And after about 2 weeks of just hard, deep core inflection, the only answer I just keep coming back to is Philly cheesesteaks. Why be sad when you have Philly cheesesteaks? I mean, look at that drizzle. With the leftover onion, we made onion rings. Shout out to Dready Crocker one more time. This Philly cheesesteak was fantastic. It's time to announce the winner of the $50 Amazon gift card. The suspense was killing me. My palms were sweaty, but without looking, I selected one. Congratulations, Katelynn. Thank you to everyone who took the survey. I really appreciate it. Finish this day off exploring Houston, enjoying life. If you like this video, give it that thumbs up. Also, comment and subscribe, and I'll be back with more. Peace.